Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English Speaking Beginner. Today lesson is about is English phrasal verbs. In this video I'm going to share with all of you phrasal verbs, English to English meaning. Stand for tolerate, take aback, surprise or shock, to discomfort, take aside, get someone alone to talk to them, take away, subtract or dimension something, take back, retract an earlier statement, take down, remove something from a hanging position. Next we have take off. Take up means remove, off, depart, take out, remove, take over, adopt a further responsibility or duty, take through, explain something to someone, take up, pick up. Take up means fake up. Throw away, waste to squander. Throw out, discard to dispense with something. Throw up means vomit. Turn down to decline, refuse.